row of just McLarens. That's some big freaking wheels. ET Street SS. I had some on my Camaro.
Said what?
I had some ET Street SS's on my Camaro. I didn't really like how they grip though. I had the Toyota Proxy's grip better.
So what does all this mean?
That's all what means.
What does all this mean?
GT500. So it has a supercharged.
Well, supercharged that big ass spray thing, right?
Yeah, right there. Hand built with pride.
Like engine? Right?
What? Yeah, engine.
Fuck off, quit retorting.
Oh, it's actually pretty sick.
This is your intake right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fat for the intake. But dude, I love this wide body rear end. This is what I'm trying to get on the Corvette. What tires are these? Oh, these Street R's.
Right here?
Yeah, mine's
so it doesn't
smooth.
have the fucking flare, basically.
Yeah.
Okay.
But dude, I really want to get this little flare on the side.
What, a body panel purchase?
Yeah, it's just body panel. I was looking at them. They're like 1,000, but then you still need to get them painted.
Front and back, so I'm guessing?
Yeah, I'm also thinking about getting these types of wheels, like some welds. I don't know. Damn, this is a good size though. What size is this?
Some, I don't know.
What size? Where is it? 305, 45 R17s. 45 R17s. Yeah, dude, I want to get some fat tires like that. It'd be sick.
Is this fast?
Dude, I don't know.
Did you look at the hood?
No, they closed it. I didn't see.
Yeah, probably. That's probably the gas line.
Let's see. Nope, can't see anything. Dude, these wheels are crazy though. Look at that. That thing's sick. The smoke shop. Yeah, dude, look at this thing. Has some Sparko freaking seats. I feel like this looks kind of like ricey. Damn, that's sick though. Whole bunch of stuff going on there. This is nice too. Why do his fenders look a little pushed out? Can't tell. Oh, I think it's broken. Are these also Mickey Thompson Street R's? Damn, a lot of people running Street R's. Yeah, it's 370. Dude, look at this.
I had the cabin, right?
Yeah. That sounds good. You're gonna put a cam in the Integra?
I think so, bro. I really want to.
Dude, that'd be freaking funny. I wonder how it'd sound.
I've seen videos.
Dude, these wheels are huge. Oh my god. What size are these? Oh man. I can't see it. 315s, 30 are 22s. They're 22-inch wheels.
Here you go. Here we go.
Look, Martin, it's your family.
Oh, dude. Is that a Tegra?
No,
Wait, is that a Tegra? No.
dude.
Is that an Integra? No. Is that an Integra?
No, they're all Civics.
Any of these look like my car. I cannot truthfully tell you yes or no.
Dude, I love the hatchback Civics. What are they called, Martin? Do you know? The hatchbacks?
EK9s?
EK9s?
Yeah,
dude, I've always wanted one.
Popular.
I put some fat tires on the front of that.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, excuse me.
Sorry.
No, I'm sorry. Is that an Integra? It's got the, wait.
I don't know, I can't tell. What is this?
That one over there? No, that's not an Integra.
Oh, this is an Integra, look.
Is this an Integra?
Yeah,
that's
dude.
An Integra. This is an Integra, yes. I like looking at
Dude.
I know exactly what it is.
What's up?
Nice.
Oh, there's no.
Oh. Lightning McQueen. Look, you ready Are you recording? Ka-chow. Headers. Those are headers.
Yeah, dude, they are.
Dude, I'm fucking cracked, dude.
Dude, good job, dude.
I want to go see Lake Heat.
Now, are they aftermarket or are they stock?
No, they're definitely aftermarket.
I was asking more, dude.
Let me see.
Oh, well, I'm sorry.
Okay, these over here. These over here.
We're gonna go with aftermarket.
Yeah, they are.
Don't
aftermarket.
ask me how.
You're just guessing.
Don't fucking know.
This is nice.
How can you tell?
I can tell what.
But they're aftermarket.
You can tell.
Fucking.
Dude, like
right, dude, my bad.
usually stock headers are gonna have like a whole freaking heat shield around them.
Oh,
And
okay.
I don't know, dude. You can tell. Right now, if we find one, I'll show you. Okay.
This is
Damn, dude. What the hell? This car's nice.
Like, what I would pay for it? 125.
For what? For which car?
for that fucking the front lift on the EK over there.
Oh, yeah. The carbon fiber one.
120.
I'm looking at the same like version for the Teggy.
Yeah.
Guess how much?
Like 800.
Yeah, you got it.
It's just cosmetic. It's just cosmetic.
Dude, I don't know, man. It's just how it
nothing
is.
for you.
Dude, it's like 10 plus horsepower, dude.
No, the fuck it's not.
And tell me why I started salivating.
Salivating.
Oh, right here.
God damn.
Let me not mess up the pictures.
Oh yeah,
You
sorry.
ready for this one? I'm gonna walk you through it. You got a filter.
Yeah,
You got your
A filter.
fucking. You got your headers over here.
yeah, dude.
Let's see. You got a belt right here. Oh, your intake's over there.
Radiator.
Yep, your radiator. I know where that's at. Hold on.
What's this right here? The fucking.
What's that right there?
That right there.
What, that?
Dude, that's the
Yeah,
alternator.
those are the headers.
No, the big one.
Oh,
Big
this
one,
right here,
yeah.
that's a filter.
No, the one
Don't touch it.
connected to the
Oh,
filter.
sorry. That's a turbo.
Oh, dude.
Ooh. You got it. Did I pass the test? Your stick is so big.
I want to see it pick it up. Look how long that stick is, dude. That thing's huge.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, look, all the bikes. There's a whole bunch of them. Where did the camera guy go? Dude, yeah, that guy had a huge freaking tripod.
Oh, he's there. I see the stick.
Oh yeah, dude, it's all the way over there.
Bro, I want to access the actual footage of
Yeah. They're sick.
Is that Integra?
Is that the Integra?
This is a step up.
Is that Type R? Are there multiple Type
They
Rs?
got rays on it too.
That's freaking crazy. Dude, is that paint? Dude, it just changed color. That's insane. Dude, these wheels are ginormous.
Right. What?
This thing's almost as tall as me. Game over. Yeah, the wheels are freaking huge.
Dude, he's got it.
Dude, I don't know.
When you walk around it.
Does it?
Yeah.
What's up, dude? Look, dude, it's your old Z.
It looks shitty.
It looks
Who the fuck bought this car?
Man, who idiot would ever buy
this
it?
car, bro? Yeah,
It was his.
I wonder who had that car.
That's crazy, bro. Literally comes up and says the same thing.
Look, the crack is still there.
Dude.
You really didn't.
Dude, it kind of is really dirty. I know, dude. This car was in like such good condition until he freaking did messed it up. Yeah.
It's a move, alright?
And then he sold it. He sold it.
This is proof that you should not drink and drive.
Not drink and drive.
I love mugs. I have a shit ton.
Wait, he wasn't drunk when he crashed it. He was sober. Wait, were you drunk? What the heck? I didn't know that. GTS and GT3. Pretty nice. Pretty nice right there. What?
Gotta try to take a picture, man.
Oh, sorry, dude. You want me to go model in there?
You can.
Dude, that's the same.
765 LT. I mean, damn, how much is it? Like 755 horsepower or something like that? Or 765? I'm not sure if it's in the name. On the front, look at that. Oh. Wait, what the hell? I didn't even notice it was Nismo. They made Nismo 400Zs already?
Yeah.
That's
I think they
insane.
announced it like right after they finally came out.
Dude, Nismo GTR too? It's a Nismo GTR and a Nismo 400Z. Dude, I raced an F-body at the drag strip in my freaking catfish, and he said that he was making like 310, and he got the crap out of me. And he had like 13-year-old freaking drag radials on there. His drag radials were completely dry rotted. It was crazy. Yeah, and then he shot 100 shot of nitrous, and then he got me even harder.
Did he do that just for insult?
I don't know, dude.
That's the only thing that's funny as shit.
Well,
Did he do that just for insult?
What do you got planned for the day?
dude, I haven't even showed my C6 yet. This is mine. And this is Martin's Integra Type R, imported from Japan.
Oh, yeah. I'm thinking about taking the 360 out. That would be good.
Dude, I like your little air fresheners. Those things are pretty sick. I like the air fresheners, they're pretty sick.
No, right?
Yeah. Dude, look at the wheel difference. Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, I've always wanted to make one of these cars. Dude, it literally has two huge NOS bottles in there. That's insane. Dude, I need two of these. Two of the big ones. Dude, I want one like this for the Corvette. That's what I'm talking about. Sinister Speed?
Steed.
Oh, Steed.
Instagram.
Oh, that's cool.
The tag is on it.
That's some high ingenuity right there.
My Acura, I had to do the same thing.
Damn, look at this. That's funny. Dude, wrapping the freaking Ken with the Duracell.
Dude, it's got the, it's like a Duracell section.
That's sick.
Yeah.
That is fire.